Small duck, big attitude. Baby swimmer, alert. To cute.to scroll. Pool king is here. First swim and no fear. Tiny feet, big dreams. Cuteness overloaded. Two little swimmers, best friends forever. Wow, cute bird. Nature beauty. Little bird magic. So beautiful. Wow, look at this ostrich. Running so fast, like the wind. Black beauty of the wild. Long neck, royal style. This ostrich looks amazing. Wow, look at this peacock. Colorful wings, pure magic. Colorful wings, pure magic. Royal bird, royal style. Dancing slowly, looking amazing. Nature's beauty.at its best. Those feathers look so pretty. A little crow found a true friend. The dog never left the crow alone. They were different but shared one heart. True friendship needs no words. Together they looked so happy. Friendship can happen anywhere. One cute dog, one little crow. Best friends forever. Being together is real happiness. A true friend never leaves your side.
Oh my god, this friendship is too cute to handle. This friendship is very cute. This is very rare friendship. More beautiful than words. Do you also have a friend like this? Tell us in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Oh my god, he's lost in knowledge too. Open a book, open a new world. Knowledge is light, it never fades. Pause for a moment, feel the calm. A quiet mind is the richest wealth. Subscribe, share, comment, like. People said he would never walk. Little steps, big courage. Cool snow, colder vibes. But this dog came, fully upgraded. For paws, full winter fashion boots. Don't slip, I strut in snow. Boots on. Cute little cat, stealing every heart. Sweet cat moments, full of happiness. Tiny cat, big cute vibes. Tiny cat, big cute vibes. Adorable kitty, making everyone smile. Soft paws, cute little walk. Oh my god, this is the real jungle truth. Cubs are hungry, mother is out hunting. This is not luck, this is the fight for survival. The lioness is risking everything for her cubs. In the jungle, a mother never gives up. Every step is only for her cubs. This is not a story, this is reality. Mother is hunting, hope stays with the cubs. Like, share, follow, comment. Oh my god, what a beautiful butterfly. Look at this amazing butterfly sitting on flower. Tiny wings, endless beauty of nature. Butterflies remind us how beautiful life is. Nature always creates best art. Butterfly resting on human hand. Wow, beautiful moment captured in nature. Tap like and subscribe for daily beauty. Wow, cute little chicks. Tiny steps. So adorable. Mama chicken with her babies. Soft feathers, sweet little family. Small dog, big love. Playing with is human. His tiny tail says everything. Little lion, big attitude. He's watching everything. Future king of the jungle. Don't blink, he's alert. The king is already ready. White water is not so pure. It looks like a dream. Colorful fish are swimming. They're so fast and beautiful. This place feels magical. So calm and peaceful. A hidden magical place. So beautiful. The water looks so pure and clean. It shines like a dream world. Tiny fishes in white water. Cute little pond full of peace. Two fishes playing together. Soft water, happy fishes. Small pond, big beauty. White shiny water, cute fish view. White shiny water, cute fish view. Small fish, big happiness. Calm little pond, magic beauty. Oh wow, look at these duck babies. Sitting together. So peaceful. Tiny little
Light of the moon,
soft fluffy chips, melting hearts. Soft fluffy
like
chips,
I'm
melting hearts.
living in a
Small
dream.
birds, big cuteness. Sweet little moments worth watching. One is a house cat, one is from the wild. Different places, but same cute face. Maybe they are lost sisters. One lives at home, one rules the forest. When they met, a cute story began. The little cat said, "Are you my friend?" The wild cat smiled and stayed beside her.
Like
Cute
I'm
little cat, doing funny
living in a
things.
dream.
The snotty cat made me laugh. Playing with a box like a naughty baby. Then it tried funny surprise. Now the box is on her head. Cute little cat doing funny things. Wow, look at these boxes. Sitting quietly down as so calm and lovely. Eating something so calmly. Wild fox moment so beautiful. Focus on me so soft wild beauty so lovely. Wow, look at this raccoon. Cute little animal so smart and curious. Masked face so unique look. Always exploring, full of life. Wow, look at this cute dog. Waiting quietly so lovely. Missing someone, maybe sinking. Wow, look at this cute rabbit. Sitting quietly, thinking something. Moving its mouth so adorable. Soft little bunny, full of innocence. Wow, look at these pink flowers. A tiny butterfly, sitting so gently, so soft and beautiful.